what is happening, people? Day 89 here at Amazon. Ooh, 89, 11 more days to 100. Let's go. We ain't stopping, baby. We ain't stopping until we reach that 100 day. Let's go. Eric, we're gonna go grab some stuff. Eric right here, one of our fastest drivers right now. He's been killing it ever since he started. Let's go. So I stay in Wahiawa, yeah. Kind of hard to find parkings around here. You know, you gotta deal with all traffic and no street parking whatsoever because everything's like, you know, yeah, like here. So I'm getting all these long driveways back. Guarantee I'm reversing them in. I don't want to park at the street and then bam. Ooh, get some nice places over here in Wahiawa. Right next to the school. The pin is off, so I gotta drive more down. I walked pretty far already, but turned around. Gotta get my van out. You know, because I feel like there's gonna be more deliveries down that road. Pin is off. I guarantee I'm reversing in. I don't give a rat's. This is some long driveways. I don't give a rat's. I'm reversing safely. Yeah, you see that? Yep, long driveways. Gotta make sure you don't get hurt and take your time. No more running. Alright, I'm here with Brandon, about to grab some totes off of him. I'm gonna see what we can do with them and see if we can finish before the sun goes down. I don't think so.